Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna change the grille on my Crown Vic from this older style to the new mesh type. First I have to remove the radiator cover, which is attached with 3 clips. Then I have to remove the 4 nuts attaching the grille to the front. You will need an 11mm socket for this. My Feniex QSM lights are mounted directly to the old grille. I must therefore disconnect the cables and make new brackets before installing the new mesh grille. The grille is held in by clips in the bottom. Give it a hard pull and the grille will come off. I take measurements for the new brackets that I will make. I have cut out 2 pieces of aluminum for the brackets. I made a ventilation hole for better airflow in the center. Now I will bend the brackets to shape. I bent the brackets to a 90-degree angle. I placed the gasket for the QSM lights on the brackets and marked up the holes. I placed the bracket plates in the vise and used a center punch to mark out the holes before drilling. I used a file to smooth out the oval hole for the cables in the center and a larger drill bit to remove any metal shavings from the drilling. So there we have the finished brackets. Now on to prep and painting. I use some Scotch pad to sand down and prep the aluminum so the paint will adhere better to the surface. Before painting, I use some IPA to degrease the surface of the brackets. I tape the bottom of the brackets to make them stand up right before painting. I'm using some matte black spray paint to cover the brackets. Remember, safety first. Always use a proper mask when spray painting and keep the area well ventilated. After the paint was dry, I assemble the lights in the brackets. There you go, the bracket and lights are ready to be mounted back onto the car. I added a strip of 3M double-sided tape to the bottom of the brackets. In addition to the double-sided tape, I used some self-tapping screws. So there are the finished brackets mounted on the car. Now let's move on to soldering the wires and fix the cables. I use a gas-powered soldering iron. Each wire is insulated with heat shrink, and then I add another big heat shrink over the cable splice to protect it. Finally, I fix the cables in place using some cable tees. Before installing the new grille, I test the lights. Working good! This is the part number for the original Mesh Grille. It will fit all Crown Vics from 1998 to 2011. I bought the grill on eBay and paid $198 including shipping and tax to Norway. After attaching the 4 11mm nuts holding the grill in place, I put back the radiator cover. So there we have the final result. Hope you like it.